Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you these super fun printed jokes and games lunch bags. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. This package comes with 50 brown paper bags. Each bag has a game on one side and then there's a joke on the other side. There are a variety of different games such as mazes, word scramble, word search, tic-tac-toe, and some other games as well. And the jokes are also super cute. I really love that the kids get to do something fun and educational while they are enjoying their lunch. And it also helps them with their vocabulary, creativity, and their observational skills. It is also something to look forward to during lunch as a way to brighten the kids' day with some humor and some fun activities. Another feature I really like is that it is made of high quality material that is food grade and safe for not just the kids, but also adults. And hey, who doesn't love a fun activity to enjoy during lunch, even as an adult? Whether for yourself or to give as a gift to other families or friends, if you are looking for high quality lunch bags with engaging activities, don't forget to stock up on these.